I just can't imagine how long you actually plan, rehearse, shot for the train sequences. Did you sleep on the train or dream about it all the time?
I was definitely dreaming about the train while we were shooting it. It was a very long time shooting that sequence, and there were times you definitely couldn't get it out of your head. We were shooting that for most of the time we were in production on the stage. We were constantly going back to it. The train sequence really starts with the motorcycle jump, which was the first day of principal photography, and the very last day of shooting with the cast ended on the train as well. I feel like I'm still shooting it.
Like a nightmare.
Yeah.